Hey everybody, this is Jenny again for acrylicpouring.com. Today's video includes 3 experiments with glitter. I have been experimenting with glitter a lot lately because it just makes me feel good. It's not high art, but it's fun. So it all started with this experiment, which is Liquitex pouring medium and glitter only, poured in a tree ring style. You can see that video on my channel. And today's experiment, this got a beautiful graduated effect, but I really wanted the glitter to stay in distinct tree rings because that would be so pretty. So I'm going for that today in these experiments, but I'm also testing out different mediums. So the first 2 are DecoArt clear pouring top coat and glitter only. And the third is Liquitex iridescent medium and glitter. To get all 3 experiments in, I had to do a lot of compressing. So there are some voiceovers and a lot of things are sped up. So I showed the results of all 3 experiments at the end in the sunshine so you can see the sparkle, and maybe it can make you happy too. So I hope you enjoy these experiments. To get started, I'm going to pour this DecoArt top coat into each cup. So I cover the top. That was about that much, a quarter of this thing of glitter. And then you stir it in. It is just that easy. Here I'm just stirring in the glitter. I pour enough to cover the top of the pouring top coat, and then I stir it in. Now I'm just doing a normal tree ring cup. I pour the color that I want to come out last in first. So there it is, layered into the cup. Now I'm going to pour it out from the side that I poured it in so that this green comes out first in tree ring style. Okay, so here's what it looks like right after being poured. There are rings, and if I left it like that, I'd probably keep rings. I really wish I could do that. I guess I could, but I'm going to stretch it. And here I go. This would keep its rings. Okay. I have decided to keep these rings. See if it keeps the rings. I know if I stretch it out, it's going to have a similar effect as this one, which did not keep its rings, but made a beautiful graduated effect from gold to blue. But this has got rings, so I'm going to keep it. I'll stop the video, come back tomorrow, and see if this has stayed. I really hope it does. did a few other glitter experiments that I'm going to include on this video. This one I decided to use some chunky glitter rather than just fine glitter, and I did it the same way. I used DecoArt clear pouring top coat and glitter. See, there are some chunky yellow stars. Added some more yellow glitter with it just to give it more color. Then I pour it out tree ring style, just like the other, and stretch it this time all the way because I don't really have any hopes for this one keeping its rings. I decide after I've poured it, just based on kind of what it was looking like. In this experiment, I'll be using, I don't know how it's going to turn out at all, Liquitex Iridescent Medium with gold, orange, purple, silver, and this beautiful blue glitter. I'm going to mix that with that. I'm going to add a little bit of the DecoArt clear pouring top coat to each cup as well, because this is semi-transparent. So I don't know if it's gonna the opacity of this. I don't know if that's gonna blot out the shimmeriness of the glitter. I think it potentially could. So it couldn't hurt to add a little of this clear pouring top coat to thin it out. But I am interested to see what the iridescent medium does with the glitter. This may keep its rings, potentially. I'm going to leave that because I want to see, take it down. There. Okay. So there's that. And we will see how that turns out tomorrow. I feel optimistic. So here is the experiment that had the chunky glitter, and it's got a really interesting 3D effect that I'm trying to capture here by showing it in the sunshine. There's also some graduation of color. There's yellow, brown, and pink, and then blues on the side. So it's neat. Shiny. This is the one that I'd hoped all of them would keep their tree rings, but this one did get a little off level. As you can see, there are no distinct rings, but it sure is shiny and pretty. This one is the one that I mixed the glitter with the iridescent medium, and it's completely a different type of thing here. Of all of them, it has kept its rings sort of the best, but the opacity of the iridescent medium did, as I thought it would, blot out quite a bit of the sparkle. You see, in comparison, it's quite different. But it's still a neat thing on its own. Here is the experiment. I don't think I filmed this, but I did do it during my glitter experimenting of Liquitex pouring medium with glitter on a black canvas, just to see what kind of difference. And the black canvas really does make those colors pop. And this is the one that got it all started, that is all Liquitex pouring medium and glitter, and it has this amazing graduated effect. So I'm not sure what all you can do with these, but I would love to hear your comments. So please, if you have ideas, share them in the comments. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, share it with somebody who might be interested, and be sure to subscribe to acrylicpouring.com. This is Jenny. Thanks for having me. See you next time.